Virtuous Woman now sort of open the doors for you have another slew of hits.
Yes.
And I know that it has taken you to places.
All over the world.
All over the world. And you have met with several different producers. Because after Virtuous Woman, some people say, what? Where Warrior King were forwarded? And then you got job and never go.
Yes, Caliban and the Caliban label. Yes, yeah, for the tuning rhythm, Gregor Isaac.
Yes. And that was another powerhouse hit, you know.
Yeah, man.
And even after that, Warrior King, you still.
I'm going to tell you something about that song enough people don't know. It's Never Go the Pagans Go.
Yeah.
You know why my mother write that song before, you know? My mother write a letter to my mother. Because when I sight up Rastafari, no people don't know this, you know?
Yeah.
You understand? I wrote a letter to my mother. It's a letter, you know? I write from my mother. Because see through Rasta, our mother them go up in a old traditional way, a Western Christianity.
Yeah.
So when we are sight of Far and we are talking about Africa, we are talking about Imperial Majesty, we are talking about Marcus Garvey, it was something totally different. And
no, it came with resistance, because they must say no, because them grew up the way.
So mama said, we don't want it in our house. You know, and I said, mama, but at the same Bible you read, we are find truth in and thing, you know what I mean? So we write, this song was really a letter to mama say, I'm not do what them do, I'm not do certain things, I'm not, you understand? I'm saying mythology and illusion will be always burning. Corruption and confusion will be thrown in the ash bin. Can't fool the Rastaman with your false doctrine, your false teaching, or what a sin thing. Justice in the sky, is it salvation that is seeking? The throne of David, if you listen to the words, it's really a letter to mom to try to tell us, mommy, nobody, although you see me look raga and stuff, I might think me crazy, but you may not go rob, me not go steal, me not commit fornication.